Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows Shift S is not working in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, and after that scroll down and find out a clipboard. So click on a clipboard and make sure that enable the clipboard history. So turn on it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app section, and after doing this step, go to your apps and features. Go to your install apps. After that, type up snipping tool. So here is a snipping tool. Click on these three dots, click on advanced options, scroll down and click on a reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows. After that, go to your accessibility. After that, go to your keyboard. After that, click on a use the print screen button, open screen capture. Oh, there is a already turn on it. So turn on it. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.